Okay, our topic is about multiplying rational algebraic expressions. And there are two methods in multiplying rational algebraic expressions. First method is to divide out greatest common monomial factor after multiplying. And the second one is divide out greatest common monomial factor before multiplying. Okay, by applying method 1, example number 1, 37x divided by 2y times y over 4. So the step 1 is multiply the numerators and denominators of the given rational algebraic expressions. So 37x times y, that is equal to 37xy. Then 2y times 4, that is 8y. Next step is find the greatest common monomial factor of the product of numerators and denominators. For 37xy, that is equal to 37 times x times y. And for the 8y, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times y. Then look for the common factors from two groups of factors. GCF is equal to y, because the common factor for numerator and denominator is only y. Then divide out the GCMF of the product of numerators and denominators. So we have y, this one, y divided by y, that is equal to 1. So the product in reduced form, or the answer is 37x over 8. Okay, for the method 2 or example number 2, we have 15y over 2y times 2y over 5x squared. So step 1 is find the GCMF of the numerators and denominators. So for 15y times 2y, that is equal to, for 15 we have 3 times 5 times y times 2 times y. Then 2y times 5x squared, that is equal to 2 times y times 5 times x. Then look for common factors from the numerators and denominators. So this is, okay, 1 common, then 2, then 5. So that is equal to 3 times 5 times y times 2 times y over 2 times y times 5 times x times x. So again, the GCF, or the greatest common factor, is equal to 2 times y times 5. Okay, so divide out GCMF, y, y divided by y is equal to 1, 5 divided by 5, then 2 divided by 2. So the answer is equal to 3y over x times x, that is x squared. Another example for the method 1. The example 1, we have x squared minus 4 over 2 times 4 over x minus 2. Okay, first step is multiply the numerators and denominators of the given rational algebraic expressions. So x squared minus 4 times 4 and 2 times x minus 2. So apply the distributive property. So x squared times 4 minus 4 times 4, and that is equal to x squared times 4 is 4, x squared minus 4 times 4 is 16. Then for the denominator, we have 2 times x minus 2 times 2, that is equal to 2x minus 4. The second one is find the GCMF of the product of numerators and denominators by first is applying the factoring difference of 2 squared. So the factor of 4x squared minus 16, the factor of 4x squared minus 16, that is equal to the quantity of 2x minus 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 4. Next, factoring the greatest common monomial factor for 2 and 4, that is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1 times x, we have x minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then for 2x plus 4, we have 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1 times x, so we have x plus 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then for the 2x minus 4, that is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1 times x, that is x minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2. The greatest common GCMF is equal to 2, that 1, 2, and x minus 2. So we have 2 times x minus 2. So the factored form of the numerator and denominator, we have 2 times x minus 2 times 2 times x plus 2 all over 2 times x minus 2 equals, divide out the GCMF, we have 2 and x minus 2. So the remaining factors, we have 2 times x plus 2. Then distribute, so that is 2 times x, we have 2x plus 2 times 2, that is 4. So the answer is 2x plus 4. Next method, method 2, example number 2. For the method 2, divide out greatest common monomial factor before multiplying. So we have x minus 5 all over x squared minus 7x plus 10 times x squared plus x minus 6 all over 5. So factor the numerator, we have x minus 5 times x squared plus x minus 6, that is equal to x minus 5. We factor the trinomial, so x squared plus x minus 6, and that is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 2. Then for the denominator, x squared minus 7x plus 10 times 5, that is equal to the factor of x squared minus 7x plus 10, that is the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x minus 2 times 5. Then the GCF is equal to that one, x minus 5 and x minus 2. We have the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x minus 2. Okay, for the factor of the numerator, so we have the quantity of x minus 5 times x plus 3 times x minus 2, and for the denominator, you have x minus 5 x minus 2 times 5, and divide, so we have x minus 5 x minus 5 x minus 2 x minus 2. So the answer is x plus 3 over 5.